Hello SoundClick. French fries, also known as fries or chips, are a popular snack or side dish made from potatoes. They are typically deep-fried until they become crispy and golden brown. French fries are enjoyed all over the world and are often served with ketchup, mayonnaise, or other dipping sauces. They can be seasoned with salt, pepper, or various spices to enhance their flavor. French fries are a versatile food and can be enjoyed on their own or as a complement to burgers, sandwiches, or other main dishes.